What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time. Today we're going to be bringing you an install video on a brand new Toyota GR86. Let's check it out. We wanted to bring you this episode because this is a very common car that a lot of people pick up, for spirited driving and just pure enjoyment. So we're gonna go through and install a couple mods that are generally the go-tos right when you buy it. We got teen coilovers and a Tomei titanium catback exhaust. Also outfitting this thing with raised 18-inch wheels, and it's gonna look pretty sweet. So we're gonna drag you along into the bay here as the techs get going and show you guys the process.